How to update AMD graphic drivers. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to AMD Radeon settings. Click on the system to access the system overview and also the software and hardware details. Now select the software tab for detailed information. Click on view release notes. The release notes contain a list of new features, performance improvements, and fixed and known issues for the currently installed drivers. It will also include if you have to update or not. Now in order to update or check the update details, go back to your setting page. Click on updates at the bottom left corner. Select check for updates, and if a new driver's version is available, the following screen will be displayed indicating the driver version available to be installed. In the example below, a new recommended and new optional drivers are available for download and install. Well, to proceed with installing a new driver version, click on the title of the desired driver version and the following menu options should appear. Well, the Express upgrade installs only the core component of the driver package, so the next custom upgrade provides an option to select and install individual components. And the release notes view the driver release notes to learn about its feature and fixes. So according to this, select the preferred upgrade option and then click on proceed. The driver package will start to install. You need to wait for a while for it to complete. It may take a while. Once the driver has been successfully installed, restart your system as prompted and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can update AMD graphic drivers. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching it till the end.